Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can transfer from Cash App to Apple Pay. Alright, let's begin with the video. First, open the Cash App application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now, tap on the wallet icon at the bottom of the screen and all of your added cards will be displayed. Simply tap on the Add Card to Apple Pay button and your cash card will be added successfully. Your card will now appear in the Apple Wallet too. Now, if you try to use the Tap and Pay feature of Apple Wallet, the resulting amount will be deducted from your cash card automatically. So that's basically how you can transfer from Cash App to Apple Pay. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.